So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go to store details on Onhostinger. So what we're going to have to do here is to click on online store, and then from here, we're going to go to manage store. And then from here, what we're going to have to do is to click on settings, and then here we have checkout. And then here we have store language. We can change from here, and also we can enable custom options, add a custom field to the checkout, privacy, add your terms and conditions, your privacy policy, and you can add another field title here and make custom field mandatory if you want to. Yeah, and that's where you need to go here to the checkout. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions about Hostinger, let me know in the comments section. And thanks for watching.